This young guy is definitely a genius. The young man in front of you is the only college student in his neighborhood, and he majors in the field of handcrafts. During the holidays he planned to use what he learned to solve the family's electricity issues, so he created a wind power generation device to reduce expenses. The process is really simple. First, prepare an electric motor and a plastic piece to serve as a support. If you happen to have an old electric fan at home, it would work even better for the project. At this point, just mark the outline and use an angle grinder to make cuts. The main purpose is to fix the motor in place to prevent shaking during operation. Once the cutting is done, it's important to drill holes on the side to allow the wires to pass through and connect the motor to the support tightly. After this, unscrew the surface nut and take out the axle spacer inside. Then use a PVC pipe cap and screw it in place. This allows it to be reinstalled. Of course, this isn't the end. Next, a plastic tube needs to be fixed to the surface of the axle to extend the central axle. After several rounds of reinforcing and locking the pieces, the motor part is finished. The next step is to make the blades. This part is quite easy. Just prepare a discarded plastic bucket or plastic board. Cut it into pieces of the same size and shape. Clean the edges of the burrs. Then cut an arc shape along the top edge. A top-heavy bottom light design will offer better stability. Also, drill holes on both ends to connect and fix the required clips. Then it can be assembled with the motor. The installation process is very simple. You can learn just by watching. It's really not easy for these craftsmen. They wake up early, work late, and dedicate themselves to inventing and innovating. If your phone still has battery left, please take a moment to support and encourage the craftsmen with your little hands. Your support and encouragement is the motivation that keeps us going. Thank you so much. And with that, the entire production process is complete. The young man couldn't wait to install it on his roof. And at this point, the device had already started spinning rapidly with the slight breeze. If household appliances are needed, just add a voltage converter to easily power a 100-watt light bulb. In the case of strong winds, even a high-powered motor is not a problem. If you pair it with a battery, the effect will be even better. You can store electricity when not in use. I have to admit, the young guy's skills are really impressive. What do you think of this creative design for your home? If you were to rate it out of 10, what score would you give it? Follow my channel for more exciting content in the next episode.